This video describes the process of recovery of sample from the fluidic lines after a method run and subsequent cleaning of the fluidic lines. For details on cleaning of the surface of the instrument and accessories, please refer to the cleaning chapter of the instructions for use. After a method run, select Cleanup. The previously run method utilized fluidic lines from pumps 1, 3, and 4. The unused fluidic line from pump 2 can remain pinched through the cleaning process. To purge the fluidics, disconnect all the reagent bottles and cap the reagent bottle dip tubes with luer caps. If the reagent bottles are not disconnected, unclamping the pump directly after the method run can cause the contents of the fluidic lines to flow back into their respective reagent bottles, which may or may not be desirable, depending on purity and cross-contamination concerns. Place the open ends of the fluid path in a container to avoid drips. If desired, to recover any remaining sample in the fluidic lines, connect a syringe of appropriate volume to the sample fluidic line. Unclamp the pump and draw into the syringe to recover the contents of the fluidic line. Select the lines to purge to the prime tube and select the volume per line to be purged. Ensure that the prime tube is empty and select Start. This will purge the residual liquid in the selected lines. Empty the prime tube after purging the lines. Depending on the volume of the cleaning solution used to clean the lines, the prime tube will need to be emptied each time after a purging to prevent overflow. The software will show the time elapsed since the last cleanup for tracking. Connect to the flush kit tubing. Place the flush kit tubing in the cleaning solution recommended by your laboratory safety officer. Run the cleaning solution through the lines by selecting Start. Repeat this process as needed per your process. Change the cleaning solution to water or buffer of choice to rinse the cleaning solution from the tubing path. Repeat as necessary. Disconnect the flush kit from all fluid sources and purge to empty the lines. The upper fluidics can be unclamped from the pumps and unpinched at this time to minimize any tension to the fluidic lines when not in use. This will allow for more use of the upper fluidics if a reuse is intended. A couple of additional points. The upper fluidics performance is tested for 2 cleaning cycles and 1 autoclave cycle when using 1 molar sodium hydroxide as the cleaning reagent. You may utilize the Dispense to Prime feature in the Utilities menu to clean fluidic lines independent of the method run.